Congratulations, Ms. Ong Hui Lan, for being the second winner of the Raya Festive draw. All yours. Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it. I was like, are you sure? Is this a scam? But after you told me where I shop and on the date, then I know it's not a scam. Nobody will know that I will go where I shop, right? We went to buy some tidbits, stuff like, Milo and the other drinks and so on and so forth. Quite a lot of stuff actually.